Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to change or reset notifications and sound setting on Facebook Messenger app. That's quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up to Facebook Messenger app, and then just simply click on these three lines on the top left, and then here you will get a gear in front of your username. Just simply tap on that gear and scroll a little bit, and here you'll get the option of notifications and sounds. Just simply tap on that option, and here if you just simply want to toggle off, that's all. Just simply tap on that option and select a time until which time you want. Just select like this and click on OK. So like in this way you can mute notifications and sound. So if you just want to turn off some, just here you see that in-app sounds, vibrate or ring, group in Android Auto, notifications or customized notification. If you want to change a ringtone, just simply click on that ringtone on the second, like here, and just select the ringtone which you want. There are multiple of the ringtone present, so that's up to you which one you choose. Just choose this or like, and so in this you can simply change or reset notification and sound setting on Facebook Messenger app. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catch you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.